I want to talk for a second about switch case statements. You can use a switch case statement as an alternative to the if statement, but there is a very specific difference between the two, and I'll get to that shortly. Okay, let's suppose I have a menu, and my menu has three choices. One is hamburger, two hot dog, three pizza. I have a variable called ch for choice, and it's an int. And I say select one of the above, and it goes into ch. I say switch ch and open brace, and what are the choices? A 1, 2, and a 3. So I say case 1, colon, do that with a semicolon, and then a break, semicolon. And then I say case 2 with a colon, do that with a semicolon, and then a break, semicolon, and case 3, and then I have a default with the colon and then something to do if they didn't pick any of them, and I have a closing brace. Here's what happens. If I choose 1, switch 1, case 1, I branch to the 1, I do this, I break, and I'm done. If I choose a 2, then I say switch 2, I branch to the 2, I do that, and I'm done. If I say a 3, I go to the branch to the 3, I do this, and I'm done. And if I choose something other than 1, 2, or 3, I will branch to the default. That's kind of like a trailing else in an if-else, if-else, if. Now what would happen if my choices were A, B, and C? Then I would need to change my variable to a char. I would ask my questions, and then I would have switch ch, and what are the possibilities? Case A, case B, and case C. Notice I put the A in single quotes because it's a character, the A, the B, and the C. So anything that follows the case are the potential choices from the menu. Now what would happen if in fact I forgot to use my breaks? So if you notice here, I don't have a break in this line, or here, or here. What happens now is if I choose A for hamburger, switch A, I'm going to branch to the A. It'll do that, but there's no break. So I'm going to do that as well. There's no break. I'll do that as well, and I'll do that as well. So be careful. Don't forget the breaks. When would I use a switch case instead of a if-else, if-else, if? Well, in class, we've talked about the if-else, if-else, if when we're testing for a range, like a grade. Less than 60 is an F, less than 70 is a D. That's a great example when to use an if-else, if-else, if when there's a range involved. However, if I'm testing for something specific and I have more than two choices, like an A, B, C, or a 1, 2, 3, like a menu, a switch case is perfect for that.